What's up, y'all? Long time no see. It's WestIndieRay back again with another video. This time I'm showing you guys how to perfect a red lip. Now, I find that a lot of black girls feel like they cannot wear red lips, but that is false. So today I'm going to be using a couple products. The most notable product I would say would be the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint, and it's in the color Uncensored. You guys know everybody is on this right now. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, or just let me know that you're watching and that you've missed me and that you're glad that I'm back. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And let me just say this first, the first step of this tutorial is off camera, and it is getting white teeth, because everybody knows that red lips look the best with white teeth. So if you guys would like to see what I use to whiten my teeth, then feel free to comment below and let me know. But just make sure you're brushing your teeth other than that, because red lips look the best on white teeth. Okay? Okay. So first off, I'm going to start by using my very dirty ItsMyRaeRae palette that I got from BH Cosmetics. It's a wonderful palette. I actually used it on my face for my eyes, because I like having a very nude look whenever I do a red lip. I use just nudist all over my eyelids, so that it's just like a very natural color, not too overpowering. I didn't want to do a lot with the eye makeup. I also used Moonlight for my highlight I have here, and I used a mix between Mocha and Brownie Bite for my contour, and I used Mocha on my nose as well. So this is a really good palette. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take Chai, which I also used under my eyes, and I'm going to put my complexion brush that I got from Eco Tools in it and just like lightly dust my lips so that it's not smearing everywhere. Just lightly dust my lips with that. My lips are actually exfoliated. I exfoliate them every day with my toothbrush so that they're nice and smooth for any type of application, whether it be lip gloss or lipstick or this brilliant red lip that I'm about to do. So they're exfoliated and they are moisturized. I believe I used, where is it? It is. I used EOS lip balm for it. It's just the regular one, nothing special about it. Next, I'm going to go in with this eyeliner that I always use for my lip liner in my videos. You guys know that I used to use Coco Loco from Jordana, but I recently switched to this, like, not recently, maybe like a year or two ago, and I don't know the name of it because it rubs out, but it's from Wet n Wild, and every time I go I just bring it and I match it up to whatever it is. I forgot, it's probably called like hazelnut or something like that, but it's a really deep color. It's just a closer picture just so y'all can see what type of color it is. I love it. I'm just gonna line my lips with it as I usually do. And I'm bringing it down a little bit so that when it blends out to that nice cool looking ombre that I'm gonna have, it just, like, you know, it doesn't look too like harsh line and then red. Like, I want it to blend. So I'm just gonna line my lips with it like that. Next, what I like to do is actually go in with a red lip liner. This part is kind of optional just because of the fact that the Stunna lip paint is so pigmented. You really don't really need one, but I like using this because it kind of helps me like pre-ombre it out, and it makes it so that I'm not really missing any spots. Like, even if the Stunna lip paint actually ends up moving throughout the day, this is going to be there as a foundation and my lips are still going to look really red. So I'm just going to go in. This is actually from Maybelline. It's the Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the color 145 Very Cherry. So I'm just going to go in and bring that liner in. Up to me, telling me those things you wouldn't tell nobody. And it's okay if these lines look kind of harsh, because we're gonna cover it all up. Last but not least, the thing that we've all been waiting for, the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna lip paint in the color Uncensored. Packaging is amazing, everybody knows that. And it's just a very, very pretty product overall. It actually kind of reminds me of nail polish. Like, I would think that I'm gonna take this out and put it on my nails, but I'm not. Here's a closer look. It's very sleek, very Rihanna, and it has like a little applicator tip that is fat, then skinny, then fat again. So this actually works very well for people who have very full lips like me. because I have curves and lines and all these extra things that not everybody has. So this product is really good for people who have full lips. The applicator is just amazing. I just love the product. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. I have to be very careful with applying it because a lot actually comes out on the wand. So you want to be careful that you're not getting it all around like the opening of it, because that makes for a very, very messy bottle, and then you're wasting product trying to wipe it off. And you also want to make sure that you're not putting too much on your lips. So I'm just gonna go in. I like starting on the bottom, and you see how vibrant that color is. It is actually like putting paint on your lips.
I would take back what I said.
Also, don't worry about covering up the lip line because we're gonna go back in on that too in a second.
I would still have you. All these thoughts up in my head.
And there we go. One more time, I'm just gonna go in and make sure that my lip line is a little bit visible so that it's kind of ombre like I like it. And then I'll just clean up the outside and it will be finished in like a minute.
When I'm not with you.
Now I also want to state, don't be afraid to go over the lip color with the lip liner like I just did, because at the end of the day I used to be like, oh, I don't want to get red all over my lip liner. But that's what they make sharpeners for. So I don't know if anybody has that same mindset as me or was thinking that same thing, but don't be afraid to go over it and get it all messed up, because just sharpen that baby and you'll be as good as new. Now I didn't really have to clean up that much, because if I do say so myself, I did a pretty good job. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. As usual, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow all my social media right down there. And as usual, I have all of the things that I use besides the name of that lip liner listed down below, because I don't know the name of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you didn't know, I thank you so much. Peace.